Welcome back to another episode of Enjoy LGD. In today's video, we will be talking about the psychology of leaving her alone. Be sure to hit that subscribe button, and leave a like and share with friends and family. Why would you want your girlfriend or crush to miss you? For starters, when they miss you, they appreciate you more when you are around. When someone misses you, they tend to be more forgiving and happy to see you. If she misses you, she'll give you her attention instead of just taking you for granted. Making someone miss you is not about manipulation or getting what you want, it's actually a great tool for making your relationship stronger and more vibrant. We get tired of people when we see them too often, and that's when we start to see their flaws. Don't fall into the trap of becoming bored with one another. Make your relationship interesting with these ways to get her to miss you. Here are 6 tips to make her miss you. Watch to the end for a bonus tip you can't afford to miss. 1. The first thing is to actually get her to like you and enjoy being around you before you do any of the things below. Just imagine doing these tips below to let her miss you and chase you more to someone who doesn't even like you or find you interesting. You would not get the results you're looking for. 2. Do things without her. Step 2 to get her to miss you is to get out and do your own thing. Don't just sit around at home waiting for her to notice you or reimagine your relationship in a new way. You might get a call from her asking where you are. You want to be able to say you are hanging out with friends at the park or going to a club for a show. The more you are doing without her, the more she'll miss you. 3. Keep your distance physically. Even when you are around each other, keep your distance from her. Don't sit next to her on the sofa, take the chair across the room. Sit at the other end of the table when you eat, and don't make it a big deal to sit near her at the bar or show, especially if other people are around. You can decide how much contact you want to have, and of course, respect her desire for less contact if that is the case, but the lack of contact between you will make you both wish you had more of it in no time. Put simply, it may work when your potential partner is already interested and already thinks you're likable and nice but not yet passionate about you. In this scenario, being a bit of a challenge can improve their perception of your value as a lover and motivated them to chase you. 4. Offer to help when you are around. Want her to miss you more? Make sure you are pitching in and helping out around the house when you are home. Whether you are doing simple things like cleaning up after the kids or taking out the trash, when you aren't there, she'll notice. Say nice things and pay her compliments and make sure she catches you looking at her. When you aren't there, she'll notice how much different, and better, life is when you are there to make her smile and lend a hand. 5. Maintain your life. Whatever you do, don't pick up and move to the other side of town while the two of you try to work things out. If your life seems to be falling apart, try to keep it as normal as possible and do all the things you normally do. If she sees you going about your business as per usual, she may come to realize that your life's better together. If you are just dating and trying to get her to pay more attention to you, going about your business is the best way to do that. Whatever the situation, getting her to miss you is about lack of attention. Out of sight is not out of mind when it comes to relationships. We think about the thing we love the most all the time. 6. Show up where she's at, on your own terms. As part of your go out and do your own thing plan, be sure to incorporate surprise appearances at places you know she hangs out. Not only does this ensure you get to see her, and control the situation, but it ensures that she sees you having a good time without her. Nothing gets a girl more interested than something she can't have. Show her you are all about having a good time and she'll want to get in on that pronto. Plus, while you are waiting for her to decide she likes you, you might as well be having a good time. If you are already in a relationship, getting out on your own will remind her of the reasons she liked you in the first place and help bring the two of you closer together. When you are together, that is. Here is the bonus tip as promised. Number 7, don't tell her everything all at once. If you want to keep her on the hook and wanting more, don't spill your life story to her all in one night. leave something on the table and share bits and pieces as you navigate getting to know one another. You don't have to be totally closed off to gain her interest, but give her insights into your life and how you have experienced things so that she understands where you are coming from. Save the hopes and dreams and ex-girlfriend talks for another time. Little by little, she'll get to know you and want to know more. Whether you are trying to get the attention of a new love interest or you want to keep your current relationship interesting, making your girl miss you like crazy is a great way to keep the romance alive and also turn the odds in your favor if you are trying to win her over. Making her miss you might seem like a backward approach to relationship management, but if you play your cards right, she'll be knocking on your door sooner than expected. A little time apart never hurt anyway, but it did make the heart grow fonder. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like and share. Also drop a comment down below letting us know what video you would like to see next.